Hey guys, today we will be making these delicious French toast churro sticks. This is such an easy recipe and it was just so good. If you like these easy but delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. We will start off by taking 4 slices of bread. I'm using whole wheat bread, but you can also use brioche, sourdough, or any type of bread you would like. Now we will split our bread into 6 pieces for slightly thinner pieces, or if you want it a little bit more thick, you can slice it into 4. Feel free to cut off the edges if you would like. I really like them, so I'm going to keep them. Now we will repeat the same process with the rest of the bread. Here's how it'll look like. Because the bread has to go into the cinnamon sugar when hot, we're going to make that now. This is 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to use a tiny whisk and mix it together and then put it on a plate and spread it apart ever so slightly. Now that we have our cinnamon sugar, let's move into the egg mixture. This is 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and we will use a whisk and mix it together. You will take 2 eggs and then beat it in. This is how it'll look like. Then you will add 2 tablespoons of whole milk. And this is how it'll look. Moving into the stove on medium-high flame, I will melt the butter and then take a piece of bread and dip it into the egg mixture without soaking it completely and then adding it to the pan. And then you can repeat this with as many pieces of bread your pan can hold. On medium-high flame, you can let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, but make sure you keep an eye on it to make sure it's not burning. After it's cooked on the bottom side, flip all of the pieces over. Once it's done cooking, you can put each piece into the cinnamon sugar and be careful, it is hot, and then coat each side with the sugar and then put it into your serving bowl or serving plate. And now we got our churro sticks. So this is how it'll look like after you cook the rest of them. This is such an easy recipe as you can see, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.